crafters, this is Jerry with Crafty Stash, and this is my fifth in my series of 25 Days of Christmas, and I did a paper wreath. Now, obviously I hadn't finished it yet, but I will show you how I put this all together, and I thought this was so clever and so easy, and there you go. And see parts of it at a time. And I'm going to back it with this. You're always wondering what to do with these large sayings in the 12 by 12 packets. And, you can frame them and do that. But I thought, well, that would be so cute in the center of this wreath. And so that's what I decided to do. So how I put this together very, very simply was I took a plastic plate, a dinner plate, and cut out the inside, and you can cut out as much of it as you like. If you want to just put a smaller center, you can do that as well. And then I just took 12 by 12 sheets of whatever paper I'm using, and this one I used the Northern Lights Recollections collection from last year, and I had so much of it left over. And so I just cut out 1-inch strips. And actually on this, I kind of made 1-inch or 1.5-inch strips, and I changed it around a little bit. I did even use the cut apart strips that they had in there. I used those as well. And so you can make this as thick or as simple. I kind of overlapped some of these in this prototype. I just, put them together and I stapled them. This I used, until I can glue it all together, I just used repositionable tabs, glue dots that I have a ton of. And so I just stuck those inside, and then on the back, you can't see it, I guess, but I taped it so it wouldn't move too much. So that is so cute. And so the stars are brightly shining is what the little saying says in the center. And I will kind of pull this out a little bit, and when I do put it down so you can see the saying quite a bit. And then I was going to back it on a piece of cardboard that I had from my myriad of shipping crates boxes that I've gotten lately for all the Christmas gifts and things that have been coming in. So there you go. That's my number 5, and I thought that was so clever. Coming up with these ideas is, I'm really enjoying just going through Pinterest and things like that and getting some ideas. I couldn't begin to mention all of the YouTube sites that I've seen these things on, because there's tons of them out there. So if you want to get more of a information about how to, which that's how to. It's as simple as that. Paper reads, I guess. And there you go. So I hope you're out there crafting and enjoying the holidays while you're doing it. Have a great day. Go craft.